Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And today, what are we going to be painting?
A lighthouse.
A lighthouse. Nice. What colors do we need for that?
White, black, blue, light green, dark green, yellow, and red.
All right, let's get to it. And be sure to stay around till the end of the video for our favorite part. Okay. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to start a little off center, not right in the center because we're going to have some stuff down here at the end. So we're going to start kind of just off of center. And we'll do a little top of it. Good. And then down and down, something like that. Good. And then we're going to slightly round them and bring them together. Okay. And then do a line and a line. And then slightly rounded, not too much, just slightly. Okay, and then this. Good, and then the lens, what do I call it? There. Ooh, good. Okay, now we're going to make the actual light part, the tall part. That's going to come down here. And then another one on this side.
I wonder how big the light bulbs are in there.
Oh, they're some big ones.
They're shining like 30 miles into the ocean.
Yeah. We'll look that up. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make some land. And it's going to be kind of straight across here. Goes off this way. I'm just going to connect that. Good. Okay, then what we're going to do is a building next to it. Okay, and then I do this. And then connect those. Good. And then this line goes right there.
So it looks three-dimensional.
Yeah, and it'll look even more three-dimensional once we put some paint on it. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to come up here like this and make another building. And then these lines kind of want to stay parallel. And then straight across here, it's going to go off. And then depending on how far over you are, this line also is going to go off. Good. And then this line is going to be parallel to all of these other ones. Okay, good. Let's do a couple more things here. We'll put some stripes on here.
I wonder how long it takes to build one.
I don't know.
Not only all the bricks, but you also have the stairs.
Yes.
And the light and the glass.
I imagine it takes a while.
I remember I went in one time. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. And then let's do a little door down here. A door, and then if you want, you can maybe even put like a little window here, and maybe another one up here somewhere. That's totally up to you, however you want to do it. And then let's do a couple little windows on these buildings here. You can put them wherever you want. Maybe I'll have one right on the edge. That looks great. Well, I think it's time to fast forward and bring our lighthouse to life.
Yay! Alright, we are back from fast forward, and I just want to go over the colors that we used for the lighthouse.
Okay.
So we mixed some of the black with the white for these rocks down here.
Okay.
And if you didn't have the green, like the dark green, you could mix white with the light dark green to make the light green, or you could do black with light green to make dark green.
That's right.
And we just used the yellow for the light.
Okay. Well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature!
Okay. Well, we want to thank everybody for joining us for another painting with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting our lighthouse, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye.